Let me show you how quick and easy it is to sign up for my free webinar and how to navigate on our Raw Vegan Secrets webpage. So you're going to go to rawvegansecrets.com, and when you're here, all what you need to do is come right here and sign up for the free training. So you're going to enter your email and click Yes, I want more. When you do that, it takes you to the first webinar's webpage. And as you can see, this class already was aired, so you can replay it. All what you need to do to replay is just click the play button and it will start the webinar. I've also included the case study that we had in this webinar, Rebecca Rosenberg, the Texas Fruitarian. So if you just want to watch her case study, we pulled that out so you can watch it separately. Now you'll notice on this side, we have the next webinar scheduled on December 3rd. So you can easily add that to your calendar by clicking the Google, Outlook, or iCal. When you do that, it takes you to your calendar. It gives you, the date, the time. You can set your notifications, and it tells you exactly what it is, how to indulge without feeling guilty or beating yourself up. You click Save, and that's it. You'll also want to click on this Facebook Messenger. When you opt into that, I'll be able to send you the text much easier than through an email, or I can just remind you when we're going live. You can also click here to join our Facebook group. That is a private group, and it's just for the masterclass. So here is where I put all my additional content, additional live videos. This is where you can also ask your questions so that I know what to respond to in my upcoming webinars. So be sure to join that Facebook group. And also you can click here to follow my Instagram. This is where I put all of my pictures of my food to give you ideas. This is where I put my progress photos from my pregnancy and my postpartum journey. But if you need some food ideas, this is the place to go. And you can also click to make comments during the video, which I greatly encourage because I'm going to be live in the comments. You either have to click the gray bar or you can just click in here to add your comment. Being a part of Facebook allows you to do that, and then I can respond to your comments during the live webinar. You can also click here. It'll bring you back to the first episode. You can click here to get my free recipes. It takes you to my Vegan Boss Lady membership area. You just have to create an account, just email and password, and click create your account right here, and you will be able to get my free recipes. And if you're unsure how to sign up for my Facebook group, you can click either here or here, and both of them will take you right to my Facebook group. Now you need to make sure that you do sign up with your email, because that's how you get access to the video too, because we send you a link through email. This is what the page looks like for the second class. So when you click the link that we send you, you will see class starts in 3 days, 5 hours, 24 minutes, and 10 seconds. So this timer is here for your convenience. When all of these are 0, what you need to do, you click here, and then this will disappear, and the video will be in its place. And then you have to click the play button to start the video. And that's where we'll be. And you just click here to add your comments, and I will let you know when I'm here, and then we'll be live. So as you can see, it's really easy to navigate around this webinar. You can always click here to go back to one of the first videos, and you can rewatch up to December 15th. Come December 15th, we'll be taking it all down. You'll also want to check your spam folder, because we send you the email with the new links. So as you can see up the top, we tell you to check your spam folder. A lot of times our email gets sent to spam or to your junk folder. So go ahead and check that, and that's where you will get the link to the upcoming videos. All right, so that is super easy, and I hope you guys will be there. See you later.